How to create a Shopify sales funnel using Zipify or Funnelish. The Funnelish page opens again. Now you're connected. First, go to Funnelish website and log into your account. On homepage, on the main dashboard, click the account icon and select Integrations. On the next page, click Shopify. On the side panel, click the toggle and turn on the switch. Now open a new browser tab and log into your Shopify store. Go up to the address bar and copy the domain name of your store. Don't copy the slashes or anything that comes before or after the slashes. Now go back to the Funnelish side panel and paste the store domain name into the field. Click Connect. Shopify opens on the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and click the Install Unlisted App button. The Funnelish page opens again. Now you're connected. That's it. Thanks for watching.